Back to the nice day though. If you look down the sea there, what you'll see at the moment, we'll go on pause, but we'll just have a look at the glitter ball, which is half done, so it looks like half an egg. It is. We're lucky. So, at the moment we're going down to the giant glitter ball, also known as the Disco Ball, at South Shore, Blackpool FY4, and we can see that half the glitter ball is back on like a half-eaten cream egg. Now the other half is on a huge crane, and it's about, I think it's about to be hoisted into place, which will be quite a spectacle. Okay, so here we go towards the glitter ball. Here in the background we've got Blackpool's giant disco ball, and I think the other half of the ball is about to be hoisted in place. Come with me. We're very lucky today. Hear the tension in the hoist. Oh, behold! One small step for mankind, one giant leap for the disco ball. Look at this. Behold, people. How often do you get a chance to see this? It's a phenomenon. Let's go even nearer to the spectacle. Well, I feel very lucky. This ball has been in place for about 20 years, and they cleaned it, took all the mirrors off, re-mirrored it, and now we see it being put back into place by these ball wielding experts. It's a phenomenon. Let's go around the other side. Slowly the ball comes to rest. Here we go. We're very lucky to be seeing this. Paul's going to get his ball in just the right place. Here we go. I think there's someone inside the ball at the moment.
I feared that they've trapped him inside.
I can hear his voice. Here we go. Such a precision job.
on a tour.
Each side having to meet the other. There is a voice inside the ball.
And if you look underneath, there's an escape hatch at the bottom.
For the voice.
To come out.
He might be small man in a ball. The ball is nearly in place now. The last bit, very tender operation. Very, very minute movements. Now only 6 inches away. Each tile polished to perfection, each tile new, ready to bring in a new world order, the Great Reset. Spinning slowly round until it's in place. Can you see the glint off it now with the sun? Now it's going out of place. So near and yet so far. Keeps coming out of place just as you think it's gone right. It goes wrong. This is a little bit like cranial surgery, I imagine. Take the top off and wonder how to get it back on. Here we go, here we go. This is like that pick and grab game where you pick a bunny. Hey up, hey up. Some of it's come to rest. The guy ropes have gone slacker.
Still a little bit skew-whiffy. I can see. If that was a cake or a Malteser I'd made myself, I'd be a bit worried about the left-hand side.
Is any ball really round though? Or are we all a sphere?
And a little bit imperfect.
Here we go. Look, a bloke comes out of the ball. The ball has given birth to the bloke.
He thinks he's got it completely straight and all. I don't think that's
It's
right.
a bit off. He's the supervisor because he's got a red hat. I've got a straw hat. I'm a peasant. Slowly making the final adjustments, and as Whispering Ted Lowe once said, with the ball so well spread, where can he hide? Now the bloke's just gone back inside the ball. He's actually gone in it. Here we go again. So I'm on the other side of the ball now. I'm on the north side, and it's almost in place. It's like 2 inches away. Very difficult to position the final ball in. The ropes have got a bit slacker, so some of it must be down. So as the ball comes to rest, the ball has its hat on, I've got my hat on. It's the middle of September, this is an Indian summer, should call it a Delta summer really, so I don't upset an entire continent. And the sun's out, the sea's there, the sun is glittering off the ball, and I think they've just got to do some final adjustments now, so it's goodbye from me for the time being on this very special ball video.